أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الخلق محمد وآله الطيبين الطاهرين. أعزائي طلبة المرحلة الأولى كلية الصيدلة جامعة نسان، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، رمضان كريم إن شاء الله. أنا الأستاذ المساعد الدكتورة ساجدة منادي، راح أقول المحاضرة لمقرركم مقرر الكيمياء العضوية واحد لهذا الكورس. والعضوية تعني للمستوى الكيمياء العضوية المستوى الأول، إن شاء الله الكورس الأول في السنة اللي حتاخذوا كيمياء عضوية 2، والكورس الثاني بالمرحلة الثانية راح يكون عضوية 3 وهكذا. مثل ما ذكرت قبل قليل، قلنا الكورس مالتنا هو الأورجانيك كيمستري. At the beginning, we must know what is the organic chemistry. The organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deal and interest with the study of all compounds contain carbon. That means not will be contain only carbon, maybe contain oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, or any compound, or any metal, another metal. All compound, all chemical compound, in fact, can be divided into two classes: an organic and inorganic compound. An inorganic compound is compound which contain mineral, only mineral, such as NaCl, KCl, KBr, Na2SO4, all chemical compounds that contain from only mineral matter. The source of it is mineral, and the source of organic compound can be from animals and vegetables or from the nature. Hydrocarbons is organic compound. Hydrocarbons can be classified into two classes: aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic hydrocarbons can be classified to alkanes and alkenes, alkynes and cyclic aliphatic. And each family for them can be we study it from in this course. The first family is alkanes. The physical properties of alkanes that molecule non-polar or very weakly bound, and there is a stronger intramolecular force between its molecule. The first four alkanes, that mean methane, ethane, propane and butane as gases, and the next 13 that mean from pentane to carbon 5 to carbon 17 are liquid, and the other from 18 carbons and more than solid. The boiling point of alkanes will be increased in 20 to 30 degrees for each carbon more. The branch isomer for the same compound also lower boiling point from the separate chain isomer. For example, if we have pentane as separate chain isomer, the isomer of open chain such as 2-methylbutane will be lower in boiling point from the open chain. Conformation of alkane. Each alkane maybe methane, ethane, propane have conformation. The term conformation will be mean that the distribution of atom of compound in the space. For example, methane have 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. The distribution of the of 4 hydrogen atom in space will be except the methane molecule tetrahedral shape in the space. That's this shape, as you know, have a length bond of this hybrid. الهايبريد طبعا sp3 واللينث بوند راح يكون اللي هو 1.1 between carbon and hydrogen, and the angle will be 109.5. The second alkane is ethane. The ethane, which contain 2 carbon atoms, have 2 structure, Lewis structure, the face, and normal structure or general structure. واللي structure أكيد أخذته في الكورس الأول بالاناليتيك كيمستري، شنو يعني ما نتطرق له بعد. والجنرال ستراكشر اللي يكون بالبوند as line. Also the hybrid of ethane sp3 and the shape is tetrahedral. This shape shows the distribution of carbon and hydrogen and the bond length, the angle of ethane molecule. Now, the conformation of alkane can be divided into 2 conformations: the eclipse conformation and staggered conformation. The eclipse conformation can be divided into 2 views according to C. This viewer when the carbon atom and the another carbon, this is the first and the second carbon, when the hydrogen and 2 carbon have the same distribution in space. You notice this hydrogen distribution in the 3 dimension in the same dimension of this atom called eclipse. Also, this is beside viewer. This is in the front view. The second conformation is staggered conformation اللي هي وضعية الانفراج. وضعية الانفراج نعم، اللي يكون بها distribution of hydrogen on carbon to anti according to distribution of hydrogen atom on carbon 1, and this is the beside view and this in front view. The potential energy and the level energy of the conformation will be different. Always a staggered conformation more stable than eclipse conformation. For that reason, the eclipse will always have more energy than the staggered conformation, about 3 kilocalorie. Conformation of butane, anti-conformation will gauge. Anti when carbon 2, carbon 3 and carbon 4 or carbon 1. When carbon 1 and carbon 4 in conformation anti, this is for up and this is for down, can be called anti-conformation. But in gauge conformation, when there is angle between carbon 1 and carbon 4, this is the angle about 16 degrees. This is also about 16 degree. But the angle between carbon 1 and carbon 4 in anticonformation will be 180 degree. We say الهيدروكربون family, the first one in alkane and the methane is first alkane from this family. The higher alkanes can be written the structure from general formula of alkanes, a series C sub NH2 and plus 2. Another alkanes in pentane 5 carbon and hexane 6 carbon and heptane 7 carbon and another. Then namely carbon alkanes, the first one 1 carbon methane, 2 carbon ethane, 3 propan butane to reach to 20 carbon atom. We have two systems for name of alkanes, the common system of alkanes and aerobic name. The common when the alkane open chain or straight will be without a branch. We can name this alkane by small n and will be C 1 2 3 4 5. For that reason pentane, penta 5, alkane pentane. When we have 6 carbon can be called hexane, normal hexane, and normal because there is no branch in this straight. If we have a branch in on one of carbon atom in straight, there is another name, such as this is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, and there is a methyl group substituted for carbon 2. This 3 carbon, this is the group CH substituted by 2 methyl group. This is a group can we called on it iso, term iso. The number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For that reason, isobentane. In this example, this is the term C, azo. Number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6. For that reason, the name will be azohexane. Another example, such as azobentene, chloride, azohexene, chloride, normal butyl, secondary butyl when there is a branch in one of carbon atom. Isobutyl, this is the term iso, and the sum of carbon atom for that reason this alkyl group of alkane butyl. There is a tertiary. Tertiary when we have carbon have 3 alkyl group substitution on it. This is the carbon, this is 1, 2, 3 methyl group or any alkyl group, maybe methyl or ethyl, isopropyl, propyl, butyl, any substitution alkene. The Arabic name, it is follow always and is very easy because there is many patterns for that and rules. We must so the longer straight for this compound, this is the longer and the branch here, methyl group. Number this compound 1, 2, 3. Methyl on 2 compound from the left. From the left, right also will be taken number 2. It's the same. For that reason, we say methyl propane. This compound, when we number the branch from right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but from the left 1, 2, 3, 4. This is once take number 2 and the another will be take number 4. We must take the smaller number. For that reason can be named as main position of methyl group and name of alkyl group methyl and the alkane 1, 2, 3, 4 for that 5 for that reason pentane, and the name will become methyl pentane. And this pattern can be applied for another example. شكرا جزيلا لإصغائكم، وهذا فيما يتضمن الجزء الأول من المحاضرة الأولى. وإن شاء الله المحاضرة الأخيرة نكمل.